Hi, Dee with Mobile Home Flipper coming to you from one of our homes. Just switch back over so you can get a feel for, may have seen this one in another video. I just thought this would be a good example of one to kind of walk through. What do you touch? What don't you touch? How do you know what to do? Because you can get way in over deep with what you decide to touch. And the thing is, as the market shifts, you need to be buying and selling essentially in the same market, folks, okay? So what has to happen is you have to get in, you have to get out, and you have to be cost effective with what you're touching. So overall, these cabinets don't look bad. The previous homeowners, obviously we're gonna fix that, okay? The previous homeowners had touched it up a bit and had cleaned them up with the new handles and all. So those are fine. We're going to get those touched up by our painter. We'll also clean up the white ceiling in between the blue. And then just make sure that these gray beams are just cleaned up. And then obviously we're going to have to fix that spot and touch that up. Obviously all the wall spots will be touched up paint-wise as well. But some of the key things to take into consideration is this home's going to sell for a heck of a lot more if it's 4 bedrooms. It currently exists as a 3-bedroom. This room, once this is torn back to a 2x4 width, is going to be 10.5 by 10.5. We'll put the closet here. We're already starting to frame out for that. And then there's going to be a door frame here that's going to be boxed in. So this could be an office, it could be a bedroom, could be a kid's room, could be a playroom, could be a variety of different things. At least it ends up being something that they can expand into. The light fixtures have been updated by the prior owners, so we're going to keep that. And this one, there's just too many things going on with this sink, so we're going to get rid of it and cap it off. Obviously, that needs to be fixed and tacked back up into there. We've also got subfloor issues on the floor, and also sealing of the door is going to be taken care of. So what we're mostly focusing on is how can we improve value quickly, easily, make it appealing looking, and also safe. So we've got subfloor fixes that we're coming across. Then we'll put the flooring back down on top of that. We're checking out all the electrical, checking out the plumbing. Obviously, this is a mess. So this is going to be completely torn out. That, torn out, redone, replumbed. Toilet's still in good shape. This is going to be cleaned up. Check the plumbing. Box this in. And then we've got a bunch of other bedrooms just because of the situation we're in. We're going to obviously check and make sure there's no current existing leaks. What it was is they put a new roof on it and just didn't clean this up. And then also with the swamp cooler, we're going to make sure that that gets working as well. And then new doors that consistently looks the same all throughout. We'll clean up the outside. So the other thing too to take into consideration with your budget is going to be the repairs that need to be done on the outside to meet park requirements. Normally they're going to want a cleaned up entry, safe cleaned up entry. Most of our communities, they're going to want the same color on the shed as what's on the house. So we're going to clean this up and make it have a lot more curb appeal. All of the windows will be done in white. Okay, this is going to be done in white, done in white. This is going to have dark gray carpet on it. And then all of the downspouts and fascia is going to have white on it as well, just to make it brighter, spice it up a bit. We're also going to go to the front, clean up the yard. Park's going to require that, so we're going to get brand new mulch, throw that in there. The placard's already pretty nice. We're going to get these done all in white, and then we're going to put white shutters on either side, along with this being white. And it'll freshen, brighten it up, and make it have some great curb appeal. We're also going to fix some other things on the back side of the house. As far as entry goes, take a look over there. We're going to clean up the entry there, clean up that. Clean up the entry over there as well. So the big things that we're looking to do is keep our budgets within line, do the things that are going to make it healthy and safe and habitable, that there's not going to be any major repairs needed for the new homeowner, and that we also make it appealing. Curb appeal's huge, and that also the kitchens and bathrooms end up being appealing for the new homeowner as well. This is Dee with Mobile Home Flipper signing off.